I bought and tested these cordless impact wrenches so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong tool. After spending countless hours wrenching away in my garage, I'm here to share my honest experiences with you. Whether you're a pro mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, I've got the scoop on the best options out there. Let's dive into these top picks and find out which one is the right fit for you. Product number 1: DEWALT 20V Max Impact Wrench Combo Kit. When I first got my hands on the DEWALT 20V Max Impact Wrench Combo Kit, I was immediately struck by its compact design and rugged build. The kit comes with not one, but two impact wrenches, the DCF 894 Midrange and the DCF 890 Compact. The DCF 894 packs serious power with a max fastening torque of 330 ft-pounds and a breakaway torque of 600 ft-pounds, which is just phenomenal for loosening stubborn lug nuts. I remember the first time I used it to change my car's tires. It zipped through the lug nuts like they were butter. One of the standout features is the precision wrench control that prevents over-tightening. I've had moments where I've stripped bolts by going too hard, and this feature gives me peace of mind. The ergonomics of the DCF 890 also deserve mention. Weighing in at just 2 pounds and with a head length of 5.5 inches, it felt like an extension of my hand. I could maneuver it easily without feeling fatigued. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: first off, the power-to-weight ratio is incredible. You're getting a solid 600 ft-pounds of breakaway torque without the bulk. The battery life is impressive too, and the included 5Ah battery lasts for multiple jobs without needing a recharge. The compact design is a game changer for working in tight spots. However, the cons are worth noting. At a price point of $386.14, it's on the higher end of the spectrum. Also, while it comes with a charger, you only get one battery, which can be limiting for longer jobs unless you invest in an additional battery. In conclusion, the DEWALT 20V Max Impact Wrench Combo Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about automotive work. Its power, precision, and compactness make it a reliable choice that I would recommend without hesitation. Product number 2: DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench is another gem from this reputable brand. This model is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that delivers a whopping 1030 ft-pounds of max fastening torque and an incredible 1400 ft-pounds of breakaway torque. I knew this tool was going to be a workhorse right from the get-go. I first used it during a brake job on my truck, and I was blown away by how quickly it zipped off the lug nuts. One of the features I absolutely love is the 4-mode speed settings. This allows you to adjust the torque based on your needs. For example, I often need to switch between high torque for loosening and lower settings for tightening without stripping the threads. Plus, the on-tool LED light is a lifesaver when you're working in dimly lit areas like under the dashboard. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this bad boy. On the positive side, its versatility in speed settings makes it adaptable for various tasks, from automotive work to construction. The durability of the build is impressive too. This tool can take a beating and keep on ticking. On the downside, it's priced at around $303.47. And while it's not the most expensive option, the battery is sold separately, which can add to your initial investment. Also, it's slightly heavier than some of the other models, weighing in at 6.4 pounds, which may not be ideal for extended use. If you're looking for a robust, high-torque impact wrench, I can wholeheartedly recommend the DEWALT 20V Max. It's built to last and will handle just about any automotive task you throw at it. Product number 3: DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench with Hog Ring Anvil. Continuing with the DEWALT legacy, the 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench with a Hog Ring Anvil is another extraordinary tool in their lineup. This model is similar to the previous one, boasting a staggering 1030 ft-pounds of max fastening torque and 1400 ft-pounds of breakaway torque. What drew me to this particular model was its included battery and charger, making it a more complete package for someone just starting out. I took this wrench out for a spin during a tire rotation on my SUV, and as expected, it didn't disappoint. The hog ring anvil allowed for quick socket changes, which is a crucial feature when you're juggling multiple sizes. The 4-mode speed settings offer control, especially when you need to avoid over-tightening. Pros. This tool is powerful and versatile, making it perfect for a range of applications, from automotive to construction. The inclusion of a battery and charger makes it a great value for money. On the flip side, its weight is another consideration. At 11 pounds, it can feel a bit cumbersome during prolonged use. Additionally, while it's built tough, the price can be a barrier for some, as it's often found at a premium. In essence, the DEWALT 20V Max with hog ring anvil is a solid investment for anyone looking to step up their automotive game. It's powerful, efficient, and comes with the necessary accessories to get you started right away. Product number 4, AOBN Cordless Impact Wrench. Now let's shift gears to a more budget-friendly option, the AOBN Cordless Impact Wrench. I was pleasantly surprised by the performance of this tool, especially considering its price of just $98.14. What impressed me most was its compact and lightweight design, which made it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. I used it to change the tires on my RV, and while it didn't have the same power as the DEWALT models, it still got the job done efficiently. The LED light is a thoughtful addition as well, helping illuminate dark areas when you're working. Looking at the pros and cons, the price is definitely a huge pro, making it accessible for hobbyists or those just getting into the automotive scene. The brushless motor provides decent performance and longevity. However, it's worth noting that its torque output may not be sufficient for heavy-duty tasks, and the battery life, while good, can be limiting for extended use. In conclusion, the AOBN Cordless Impact Wrench is an excellent choice for those on a budget or those who need a reliable tool for lighter duties. It's user-friendly, efficient, and won't break the bank, making it a smart buy. Product number 5, MAGSEN 12-inch Cordless Impact Wrench. Last but not least is the MAGSEN 12-inch Cordless Impact Wrench. Priced at $129.13, this tool is a fantastic option for anyone looking for high torque without the hefty price tag. With a maximum torque of 900 ft-pounds, 1200 Nm, it's designed to tackle tough jobs, whether you're working on your car or engaging in heavier projects. I tested this impact wrench while working on some stubborn bolts on my lawn mower, and it performed admirably. The 3 speed settings allow for customization based on the task at hand, which is a huge plus. The built-in LED light was a lifesaver in those dark corners of my garage. Let's weigh the pros and cons. The torque is impressive for the price, and its battery life is decent, thanks to the dual 4000 mAh batteries that come included. However, the weight can be a drawback. At over 12 pounds, it can feel heavy after extended use. Plus, some users may find the ergonomics a bit off for prolonged tasks. In summary, the MAGSEN 12-inch Cordless Impact Wrench is a solid choice for anyone needing a powerful tool without spending a fortune. It's versatile, efficient, and perfect for both automotive and home projects. In conclusion, whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, there's a cordless impact wrench on this list that can fit your needs and budget. Each tool has its unique features and benefits that make it stand out, and I hope my experiences have helped you make an informed choice. Remember, investing in the right tools can make all the difference in your projects. Happy wrenching!